baby. That was cousin up. Oh, that's cousin up right there. They both on the blue team. They got blue beaks. They have Thuggy doves. Oh, beautiful. Come on, beautiful. Jump on in. I got you. Beautiful, like, oh, okay. I'm on the way. It's mine right here. They be trying to funk each other sometimes. I be like, why the hell we trying to do that? They say, I don't know. It's just a part of our nature, son. You're on the back, like, hey, we get to get off my back. Please. That one's ended up under me right there. That's nothing. You always try to get my attention. That's Pecker down there. A little older. He's like, man, come on, man. You don't think, all right, he's just like, yeah, I just want to do something. Everybody else, they just smiling, cheerful. Look. Ding, 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 ding. Pecker like, man, you gonna give me some? All right, I mean, I got you, dog. Let me throw something at Pecker, man. Get me mad. You're on your way? Are you on your way? Huh? Yay. You did it. Oh, no. Everybody else wants to come on. She gets them motion. No. We are only on the way.